Hi, today is 16th day of communication skill enhancement practice. One thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life, and to grow in our life, the biggest obstacle is our communication skill. I remember I have been failed so many times because of my lack of communication skills, and also I have been praised by different people when I am able to communicate well and express well. So, the communication and expressing properly is a high impacting skills, and it also give a high impacting result. Today, I will share three things what I have learned from some biggest speakers and biggest person, some expert person who is able to make other people develop their English skills. And by the way, he is a YouTuber and he has able to get a follower of more than 8 lakhs. So I am also a good. I am also I like to follow. I follow Simarjit Singh. Simarjit Singh is a very good mentor and speaker, and from him also I have learned a lot of things. But he has called an English expert, and what I have learned three things that I am going to share today. The first thing what I have learned is never get shy, because one example he has given that when you have seen that is very everyone is know that when some person foreigners come to our country, and after normally foreigners or any outsider come to our country, they stay for more than months and they try to learn that language, and when they are learning the language they are struggling. Normally we have seen various time English other foreigners speaking Hindi in a very unclear manner. But what one thing they have in mind that they have to express or convey something. So with not getting shy and try to express what you are want to deliver, make a content and deliver the content, try to give the message to the opponent. The, there is a previous in the previous days people will express things by only their body languages. There was no language and people are still able to express. So we are trying to improve our English language, but by the time we should not be shy, we should be expressive, we should try to deliver our content and influence or give a message to others, so that our focus should not be in just what telling English, we can be doing mistakes, people will laugh. Our focus is to should be delivering mistakes without getting shy, without thinking that people will laugh at you. People may laugh at you, but you should not think in that way. You are just trying to deliver your message, just trying to practice your English speaking skills, just trying to communicate something. Communicate means commune. Communicate comes from the word commune. Commune is sharing. So we want to share something, so we should not be shyfully share something. We should be confidently share something. We may be not expert in English language, but we should be expert in sharing. When people can share without saying any words, with the only body language, then we can share with our less practice or less knowledge of English. So by practicing it will improve, but by the way, by the time, day by day, we should without shyfully focus on delivering the content, focus on delivering the message. That is the first learning which I have learned from him. And the second learning is to practice proper vocabulary, and also less grammatical mistakes which is required. We need more vocabulary, we need less grammatical mistakes. So what he has told that in books there was no grammatical mistakes. If you read books there will be less, you will know lots of lots of words you will know. So he said that get a English book and read it like you are telling someone to something, like you are speaking. So read it the way you are speaking to others, and when there is a comma you make a small pause, and when there is a full stop you have to give a big pause. The way you practice, it will also improve. So, it is the second thing which I have learned from him, and which is can be a great impact to people. So, practice these things. I am also going to, I was just reading books, but I have learned this today, and from today onwards I will read book, but the way I will read book like I am speaking to someone else. When there is a comma I will be pause, when there is full stop I will be stopped for some times. And the third learning is we should not treat English language like we should treat English language as a different language, and it will take time. We should be keep patientfully speak English, and we should not be impatient in between that. We should speak English in a formal manner with patience. Time heals. So by the time it will be time come, the day can be a very good influencer. So we can go for different apps also to practice, but practice with patience is the key learning he has given. And one thing I'd like to share, that do not make a, if you are delivering content, do not write that content and do not memorize it. If you will write a content, memorize it and try to express it in some communication area, you sometimes it happen that you will fail to memorize that. You may be memorized 10 sentence, but at the time of speaking you have just forget 1 to 2 sentence and you will just fall short at that person. You may be at another thing which I have learned, that you may be memorize all the 20 to 30 sentence, but when you are delivering, you are not delivering like you are expressing, you are delivering like you are memorizing something, which will be not come from your heart, and it will come from your memory, and it will not give a good impact, because something which will come from our memory only touch to other person brain only. Something which come from our heart will touch other person our heart. So one thing we have to practice daily is we should share something which is from our heart, not from in our brain. So we should not memorize the thing. We should make a content. We can go through the content. We can make some bullet points, and we can that bullet points we have to just recall that bullet points, and one by one we can express it in our way. Our intention is to deliver the content from our heart, not from our brain, because it will not touch to the hearts of other people. That practice we should be start. That is a very important lesson which I have learned today, and I am going to impact. One thing I am already implementing is that I am not making any content and memorizing and delivering. That I am not doing. I am expressing something which I am learning. I am continuously learning new things, and I am expressing. I am sharing that with others so that people can learn. I am learning English speaking and communication skill, and by the time of learning I want to inspire people that they should be practice English speaking skills, practice communication skills daily, and making video, and that will be help. Day will come, you will be expressed in a more better way. I have also said that there will be no day will be come that everything will be all okay. That we will be improving day by day, and in a continual improvement process. Thanks for watching.